Good morning, my dear students. I am happy to meet you all once again for a video presentation like this. In this particular video presentation, we will do some more problems on quadratic equations meant for class 10 of CBSE. The problem may be considered as higher order thinking skills, HOTS question. I am planning to add videos for all chapters of class 10 of CBSE. Those who want to have automatic notification about the new videos being uploaded, please subscribe by clicking the subscribe button as well as the bell icon. The first problem meant for today is to cover a distance of 140 kilometers downstream and 60 kilometers upstream, 60 kilometers upstream, 60 kilometers upstream. A boat takes 2 hours if the speed of the boat in still water is 100 kilometers per hour. Find the speed of the stream. Find the speed of the stream. Just listen carefully. Let the speed of the stream be x kilometers per hour. Therefore, speed of the boat while moving downstream is equal to 100 plus x kilometers per hour. It moves along with the current. Okay, speed of the boat while moving upstream is equal to 100 minus x kilometers per hour. Listen carefully. The speed of the stream should be always smaller as compared to the speed of the boat in still water. It shouldn't be greater. If the speed of the stream is greater as compared to the speed of the boat in still water, it won't be able to face the current. It will sink. The boat will sink. Therefore, it should be only 100 minus x. It should never be equal to x minus 100. Remember carefully. 140 divided by 100 plus x plus 60 divided by 100 minus x is equal to 2. You know very well distance by speed is nothing but time. To cover a distance of 140 kilometers downstream and 60 kilometers upstream, it will take 2 hours. Therefore, 140 by 100 plus x plus 60 by 100 minus x is equal to 2. Therefore, 14,000 minus 140x plus 6,000 plus 60x is equal to 2 into 10,000 minus x square. I am using a plus b into a minus b formula, which will imply you 20,000 minus 80x is equal to 20,000 minus 2x square. 20,000 gets cancelled, which implies x square is equal to 40x. X square minus 40x is equal to 0. X into x minus 40 is equal to 0. Implies x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 40. This is not possible. Okay, therefore, speed of the stream, it's not still water, it's a moving current. Therefore, x equal to 0 is ruled out. Therefore, it is 40 kilometers per hour. Let me repeat the whole answer. Just listen carefully. To cover a distance of 140 kilometers downstream and 60 kilometers upstream, a boat takes 2 hours. If the speed of the boat in still water is 100 kilometers per hour, find the speed of the stream. Let the speed of the stream be x kilometers per hour. speed the boat while moving downstream 100 it moves along with the current, or it gets increased 100 plus x kilometers per hour. Speed the boat while moving upstream, it is facing the current, speed will get reduced 100 minus x kilometers per hour. Time taken for downstream 140 by 100 plus x plus time taken for upstream 60 by 100 minus x equal to 2. Let me take LCM. 140 into 100 is 14,000 minus 140x plus 60 into 100 6,000 plus 60x equal to 2 into apply a plus b into a minus b, 10,000 minus x square. 14,000 to 6,000 becomes 20,000 minus 80x is equal to 20,000 minus 2x square. Our x square becomes 40x. For x square minus 40x is 0. X into x minus 40 is 0. X is 0, x is 40. Therefore, speed of the boat in x equal to 0 is ruled out. Okay. Therefore, speed of the boat in speed of the stream is 40 kilometers per hour. You can just check 140 by 140 is 1, 60 by 60 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore, my answer is correct. My answer is correct. Okay. Just we'll discuss one more problem. I don't think it is this particular problem seems to be very difficult, but it is not difficult. It is as simple as any other problem. As simple as any other problem. Next problem goes like this. Difference between two positive integers. Difference between two positive integers is, it is given as 3, and difference between their squares difference between their squares is 21. Find the integers. Answer. Let the integers be x comma y with x greater than y. Why I choose x greater than y is, by difference in mathematics we mean to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Therefore, if x is greater than y, I will write x minus y is equal to 3. If y is greater than x, I will write y minus x equal to 3. Therefore, here I automatically mean to say x minus y is equal to 3. X square minus y square is equal to 21. This is also given. These both are given. Okay, which will automatically imply you x plus y into x minus y is equal to 21. X plus y into 3 is equal to 21. This is from 1, which implies x plus y is equal to 7. Therefore, just add 1 and 2. 2x is equal to 10. Implies x is equal to anyway 5. Therefore, 2 implies 5 plus y is equal to 7. Therefore, y is equal to 2. Therefore, integers are 5 comma 3. Okay, integers are 5 comma 3. Okay, let me just check once again. 5 minus 3 is 2 anyway. Okay, in fact, second thing you have 5 square minus 3 square. 5 minus, so 5 comma 2, sorry. 5 comma 2, I'm extremely sorry. 25 minus 4 is 21. Let me repeat, difference between two positive integers is 3 and difference between the squares is 21. Find the integers. Let the integers be xy with x greater than y. Now, x minus is equal to 3, that is given. X square, difference with their squares, x square minus y square is 21. This can be written as x plus y and x minus y is equal to 21. X plus y into 3 is equal to 21 from 1. X plus y becomes 21 by 3 is 7. Add 1 and 2. 2x is equal to 10, x is 5. For 5 plus y is 7, y is 2. Required integers are 5 comma 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 square minus 2 square. 25 minus 4 is 21. Therefore, my answer is correct. Thank you, students, for patient watching.